Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to play Free Fire on your PC. Start by going to the description of this video and clicking the official link. This ensures you get the correct version of the BlueStacks emulator. It will take you to this page. Just click the button that says Download BlueStack to download the official installer. Save the setup file to your computer. I'll put it in my Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, click on the file to launch it. You'll see the BlueStacks installer. Click Agree and Install. It will now download the necessary files and set up the engine for you. This might take a minute depending on your internet connection speed. BlueStacks is known for being optimized for shooters like Free Fire. Once finished, the emulator will launch automatically. We are now on the home screen. To get the game, we need the store. Click on the System Apps folder and then select Play Store. Just like on a phone, we need to sign in with a Google account. Click the Sign In button. It will check your system info briefly. Now, go ahead and enter your email address. I'm typing mine in. Click Next, then enter your password. I'll skip showing that part. Click Next again. You'll see the welcome screen. Click I agree at the bottom right to accept the terms of service. It's just finishing the account sync now. Almost there. Great. The Play Store is open. Now we can find the game. Click on the search bar at the top and type Free Fire. You'll see Free Fire Max appear. That's the one we want. Click on it to open the app page and then hit the green Install button. If it asks about a large download, just click Now or Proceed. The game is downloading. It's fully optimized for this emulator. Once the installation reaches 100%, it will install the files. Okay, the Open button is active. Let's click it to launch. The screen goes black for a second as the game engine loads up. There's the Garena logo. We are officially in the game app. It will load some resources now. This first launch might take a little longer than usual, so just be patient here. While it loads, remember that you can play with your mouse and keyboard, which gives you a huge advantage over mobile players. The loading bar is moving. Just confirming the privacy terms. Okay, we're at the login screen. You can sign in with Facebook or Guest. Confirm the terms, and now we are setting up our profile. Here's the intro with Kelly. Let's enter a nickname. Click OK when you're done, then click the Let's Go button. It asks for your experience level. I'll select Experienced. The game is now initializing. You can see the keyboard hints on screen. BlueStacks has a special Smart Controls feature for this. It tells us to press F1 to aim and look around with the mouse. We are in the training ground. Look how smooth the camera movement is. I'm using WASD to move and the mouse to look. Let's try shooting some targets. Left-click to fire. You can right-click to aim down sights for better accuracy. It feels much more precise than tapping on a glass screen. Enjoy playing Free Fire on the big screen with full controls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy gaming, everyone.